Alright, here's one. That's the TACKLife home appliances 35 pieces hex key wrench set, as you can see over there. Alright, and here's the shallow socket as it's advertised. Alright, let's open this one first. Hope I like this tool. I've been wanting to sell this tool, but they was expensive. But a couple days ago, they got down to $37 at Amazon. So I decided to to buy this one. Yes. Wow. Okay. I probably can't explain a lot, but as you see, the number they are printed in, they not stamped in. So some people like them to be stamped in, but I mean, if you pay lots of money for it, I mean, should be a quality tool. This one over here, but the picture, it looks good, but as you know, right now it's a new one. I have not used it. So what's missing in this one, I mean, I didn't see the description on the website, but it is it's missing 16, and then 20, and then 23, 25, 26 it's missing, 28, 29 it's missing, and then 31 is missing. So what you see over here, that's 10, that's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 22, 24, 27, 30, 32, and then here's a extension 5-inch, and here's the 10-inch. Oh, now let's go for the Allen wrench. What is this? Warranty card. Wow. They are. Wow, I like this one. They're so amazing. And they only $18. It's 17 plus, but plus tax, you know. It's $18. This is a high quality looking tools over here. So this one, I like this one pretty much. Here's 35 pieces, as you can see right there. You can use them on anything, both sides right there. The size starts from I guess T10. There's T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, and then back here T30, T40, T45, T50. So that's the size on this one. And on the silver one, let's take them out, let's see what they look like. V10. So you can see over here, I wish this can be see right there. You can see it. This over here it's stamped in. It's very good. See. So and the number and the size on this one, it is I hope I can explain this one. He is 1.27, 21.5, 2.5, 3, and 35, and 4, and 4.5 millimeter. They all millimeter. So and then 5 millimeter, 5.5 millimeter, 6, 8, 10 millimeter. I believe it's the same thing over here. Maybe not. No, this is over here. This is standard. Start from. Gosh, I can see the number. 374. 364, 116, 564, 332, 264, 18, 964, 532. I can't really see the number. 316, 732, 1/4, 516, 38. That's this one over here. So as you know in the description, I don't know why I'm showing you this, but let's see on this one. Oh, there's no number. There's number on this, but you can barely see it right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh man, this video, it's 10 minutes already. I hope you're still there and watching this thing, but if not, I'm talking to myself. What about this one? Number? Oh yeah, number on this. Right there. I like this tool over here. This is what I want. I'm happy with this one. I hope you're happy as well and you get yours, buy yours. Hey guys, here I am again. It is 11 months later, almost a year. So I can't speak enough about my tool. I think this is the best tool that you can have. Not one time or every time I work on a car or anything, I always have to take this out of the toolbox. I always had it in a case like this. And sometimes I work on my car and I got tools, and then at the moment I cannot find like either the link or the dip or the size or the drive. It depends the power you need. So I cannot speak enough about this tool being the perfect tool for me. I think everybody should have one. See, it's got an extension, 10-inch extension, 5-inch extension. The other TACKLife, it's very useful, but I don't really use it. I use it sometimes, in other stuff. Like right now, I'm fixing to use it on my next project. I hope I can use it. I hope I'm going to use it. So I can say that this is a TACKLife and happy life. I am happy with it. Why not? So as I said, I hope you like this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and then hit the bell notification. Alright, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next video.